I am at number 8 Commodore Drive in Emeryville, WATERGATE condominiums. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. That's your water closet with your bathtub, shower over the tub. That's your sink and vanity area, linen closet. And then here is closet. Kitchen, galley style kitchen, dishwasher, fridge, electric stove. That's your dinette set. Well, your dining room. I don't know if it comes with it. I will see. This is the bedroom. Nice size bedroom. It has the mirrored closet doors. And this is our living room. We're in the middle of showing.
The question that she didn't get to you.
And it has a sliding glass doors. Here's your balcony. The balcony overlooks the parking lot, but if you come out and look to your right, you can see the water. This complex has 4 swimming pools, a tennis court, a clubhouse, a gym. It is right next to a little shopping strip that has a market, a UPS store. There's a restaurant there, Trader Vic's. Yeah, Trader Vic's is the name. And there's a walking trail that's right adjacent to the water, and you can walk down to the Emeryville Marina that's full of boats, and that's where the boat comes in with the fresh crab that you can buy, and you can go down and enjoy the marina. And there's also a Chinese seafood restaurant down there, and on the 4th of July they always have a big people come down here and park, and they can see the fireworks in San Francisco. And usually the day before, Richmond does their fireworks. So if you look to the north, you can see Richmond's display, and if you look to the west, you can see San Francisco's display. So this is a 1-bedroom. There are other units available in this complex. If you're interested, give me a call.